Sweet, sweet Jamaica. My name's Jeanette. I'm from Birmingham, England. However, I live in Gran Canaria in Spain. So, sweet, sweet Jamaica. Sweet jam down. The only problem is LGBTQ rights no run. But what a nice place Jamaica is. Sweet, sweet Jamaica. We love the food. The world loves Jamaican music, Jamaican athletes, the best in the world. Jamaican coffee, high grade coffee. Jamaica is a sweet, sweet paradise. But most of all, Jamaican people. And of course, my mother was one. Send enough love, big up, respect, heart, half a heart going out to Jamaica, and you give me the other half back. One love. Bless up. Bye.